In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut out an image in Photoshop. So I just have a picture here that I got off Google, and there's one way that I like to do it. I like to grab your quick selection tool here and just drag and select the parts that I want to cut out really simply. It's not the most accurate tool at times, so I'm just going to deselect this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and hold on the quick selection tool and go to object selection. So what that's going to do is I'm going to be able to click and drag over what I want to cut out, and hopefully it makes a good selection. And there you have it. So here it highlights, and this is what it's going to highlight. This is gonna be what I want it to actually cut out of the picture. So what I like to do is just a copy and paste. So I'm just going to hit Command C or Command V, or you can go up to edit and go to copy and go to paste. Really the same thing. It's up to you if you want to use the hotkeys. And now if I were to turn off this layer, there you have it. Here is the selected image. It's a nice clean cut. And now you can really do anything that you want with this. Put it in another document, make another Photoshop file. It's totally up to you. So that's how I personally cut out images in Photoshop. Hope you guys found this helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.